Hello everybody, it's Phil here. Okay, so we've got a very special caravan to show you guys today. Now this here is a 2013 Lunar Lexon 640. Now the reason we want to show you around this caravan today, folks, is as you can see, it has ramps going up to the door. So this caravan is fully accessible for wheelchair access. So if you'd like to follow me, we'll just show you a quick guided tour around the van and show you all the features that comes with this caravan. Okay, so the first feature on this caravan, as you can see, is the extra wide door. So as you can see, as you open the door, it is completely accessible for a wheelchair to go through inside the caravan. Okay, so this caravan that we are showing you around, guys, is a 4-berth caravan, and the layout of this caravan is an end washroom with 2 single beds, and at the front, as you can see, we have your parallel seating area, which does form a nice double bed as well. Now as we work our way into the kitchen area, you'll see we have a fully working sink with hot and cold water and a 3-way gas hob cooker and electric ring, along with a fully functioning gas grill and a gas oven just at the bottom there. Okay, so the final part of this caravan we're going to show you is the very spacious bathroom area. So the first thing that you will notice is that it doesn't have a solid wooden door anymore. Instead, it has been replaced with this beautiful concertina blind door. Then finally, as you can see, because of the amount of space you have in this bathroom, it does give you a lot more room for manoeuvring with or without a wheelchair. And finally, you will also notice 2 very large wardrobes, giving you that extra room for all your personal belongings.